Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on Paybis app. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your Paybis wallet application, and once you're logged into your application, tap the hamburger menu located at the upper right hand corner. Now, tap on Profile Settings from the options displayed on this page. Go ahead and choose your default language by tapping the drop-down and selecting one of the language you'd like to change to. There are multiple of languages available for your Paybis wallet. Choose any one of your choice and save the changes by tapping on Save Changes at the bottom. That way, you'll be able to change your language on Paybis wallet app using mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.